Hey, welcome back to the secret underground lair. I've got another cedar log utility pole here on the mill, about 9 inches in diameter on the far end, about 8.5, 8.25 on this end. I'm just going to be slicing this guy into a couple 9/4 slabs. So I'm expecting to get about 2 of them out of here. There'll be a bit in the middle, so I'm going to make one cut, get rid of the top, then come down 9/4. That'll get me just above the pith. Then I'm going to flip it over, take a little piece off the top, and take another 9/4. So yeah, hope you enjoy. All right, I'm set up to take off a 9/4 inch slice. Head to adjust this bracket here, bring that down a little bit. I am just going to clear the brackets on the other side of the log, maybe. So I'll be watching that very closely as I come through here. Back on time lapse and we'll go through the log. There's another beautiful cut. That cedar just looks gorgeous. This piece does have a few holes drilled in it, so I've got a nasty one down at this end, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 holes up at that end. So I'll probably have very limited use of what I can get out of here. As I'm milling this, I saw a bunch of bugs. There's about 3 or 4 little those little pill bugs. And there's one there crawling around. Seems to be very disturbed that I'm interrupting something. Okay, so nice 5/4 inch chunk here. Again, just that grain is spectacular. And the coloration's beautiful. So nice and thick. That's a good 5/4. The sawmill is running great and true. So I'm going to flip this piece over. Pop a 3/4 inch block underneath the log just to raise it up the bit I need. Take a slice off the top and then get another 5/4 or 9/4 rather. So I'll come back when I have that ready. All right, as you can see, I got the log flipped over. We're going to take our first cut here and then come down 9/4 and take another cut there. another couple boards up there. It's a nice 9/4 board. Although it really, I think the blade was getting a little dull here, and I pushed a little hard. Had a little bit of blade drift right through here, but then slowed down and we did all right the rest of the way. So it does have a nice bad crack through here though. So I'm really probably going to be able to use about half of the log, I think. And on the pith, yeah, some scrappy wood here. It is almost 2 inches, 4/4, I guess, but with that bad crack going all the way through and at least up to here, it's probably not going to be a lot of good wood out of that either. But, you know, I'll mill that. I'll finish this off on the table saw, just see what we get with it. Well, we could always be surprised. Anyway, that'll be it for today. It's a short video, but I did want to show you that cedar log getting ripped up. And overall, I'm pleased with the results. The saw worked well. I think I could sharpen the blade, but we're doing good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next.